What's up, bro?
Later. Oh, wait, you need a ride?
No, I don't need a ride today. I just bought me a new car.
Ah, quit playing. You bought a new car, bro?
And I got a sports car, bro.
Ooh, where's that? Where's that? Where's that?
That's right there, bro.
Okay, I see you. I see you. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice.
No, that's not it, bro. Bro,
I mean, I don't like the color, but this cool too. I mean,
no, not that either, man.
Where is it?
You just overlooked it like a mug, bro. It's right there in your face.
It's like three. You know about that one?
No, not those, bro. It's right here.
Yeah, it's sitting on 20s, bro. Tinted windows, fresh paint. What you think?
You talking about this little shit?
Yeah, man, and it clean. Got a low interest rate, about 26%.
Oh my God!
Pay about $640 a month for the next 48 months. Ain't that a good deal, bro?
Man, hell no, Jason.
They said my credit score was like a 540, so they gave me a good deal.
Hold on. 30,000 for a toy?
But it's clean though, right? You don't want to ride it?
No, I'm good.
There are credit repair companies. Then there's Witness Riches, the 700 Club.